Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel, and we are back with another Trust Wallet related video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can buy cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet. And it's pretty simple to buy cryptocurrency in Trust Wallet because that's what this app is made for, to buy and sell cryptocurrency and to transfer cryptocurrency from other platforms like Coinbase and Binance into this as well. Now before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can drop it down in the comment. And yeah, if you guys want a free $10 bonus while signing up into Trust Wallet, then you guys can use our referral link in the description. If you use our referral link in the description to sign up into Trust Wallet, you guys can get up to $10 bonus for free. And let's dive right into the video, shall we? So after opening Trust Wallet to buy any coin, for an example, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin, I can click on this Bitcoin over here. But if you don't see the coin which you want to buy over here, you can click on where it says buy. After you go and buy, you can search for the coin which you want to buy. So let's say for me Bitcoin, so I can write BTC and it's going to show me Bitcoin over here, and I can click on Bitcoin if I want to buy it, and I can enter the amount over here. So let's say I want to buy 150 pounds worth of Bitcoin. I can enter it over here, and its current value is 0.0063, which means for 150 pound I can get up to 0.0063 Bitcoin. And over here I can use MoonPay and Simplex to pay for this Bitcoin. You can use whichever one you want. I would suggest MoonPay because it's simple, but if you want to use Simplex, you can use that as well. And after you choose your method of payment, what you want to do is click on next. It's going to take you to your MoonPay website, and from over there you can sign up into your MoonPay account and pay for your Bitcoin. So yeah, that's basically how this works. So that's basically how you guys can buy any cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet. But every cryptocurrency of the world is also not available in Trust Wallet. There's limited number of cryptocurrency available in Trust Wallet. So don't accept every single cryptocurrency in the world to be available in Trust Wallet. So yeah, hope you guys found our video helpful, and if you did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and don't forget to use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for free. And I will see you guys in a bit. Until next time, bye bye, have a nice day.